Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to a brand new video. Hope you're all doing well and having a fantastic day. If you're new here, my name is Amanda. I post weekly videos, lots of lifestyle content. If you love a lifestyle channel, I'd love for you to consider subscribing by hitting the button somewhere down there. I'd love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Okay, so today I'm actually in my garden again, capturing the last of the summer. Weather has been absolutely gorgeous, hasn't it guys? It's really kept up and I'm making the most of it. So we went away on our summer holidays. We kind of put a few things for the garden on the back burner, and because we're having this gorgeous weather, we thought why not get it all finished going into autumn, winter, and then of course spring and summer for next year. Okay, so we do like to actually sit out in the garden in the autumn with like a nice hot cozy drink, you know, some blankets and stuff. So that's the kind of vibe that I'm visualizing. Very fortunate and very privileged to have this outdoor space. Okay, so we're making the most of it, guys. So today's video, I've actually got a item that has been kindly gifted to me by a company called Jackyled. Okay, and they do amazing garden lights, they do amazing indoor lighting and a whole bunch of things you can find on their website. So the item that they've gifted to me is this beautiful ivy garland. So I've actually got it just over the side there. We've started to put it together already, myself and hubby. It's giving me a little helping hand in it. You don't, if you was to get one of these, you don't need any hand doing it. It's just that he's off today and he's offered to help me, so I'm making the most of that as well. So the item that I've kindly been gifted, I've actually just taken the leaflet so I'll get it all right. So I've been gifted the artificial ivy with string and lights, and I've got to say it's absolutely beautiful. It looks so realistic in our garden and it just brings a bit of greenery. Knowing that autumn is around the corner and we're going to have all the leaves dropping from the tree, I absolutely love greenery. That's why in our garden it's very minimalist. We've chosen plants that are just like evergreen and more or less look after themselves. We've got two massive palm trees on both sides of our little garden here, and they're just absolutely beautiful even in the winter time. So the item that I've been gifted is this beautiful trailing ivy, and what it is, you get 24 7-foot long ivy strands. So you get 24 of these. So the idea, I'm going to be using them on that side of our garden. We've got a plain like decking fence over that side, and we're just going to sort of jazz it up with this ivy. It also comes with these lights. You get 65 feet of lighting with a battery pack on it as well. So it takes 3 AA batteries, which you can seal in this outdoor pack here as well. Okay, and the best thing that I love about this particular item, it also comes with a remote control, so you can do like different modes for the lights while you're out here in the garden, or if you're using it indoors as well. We're just going to put it all together now and show you what it looks like. I mean, at the minute we've put like maybe 5 strands on the fence over there. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I'll just take you off and show you. So we've just put like 5 strands along the fence there, and it's looking absolutely beautiful already. And then we're just going to go right across the fence and then put the lights on as well. Okay, so the ivy is up now on our fence and it looks absolutely gorgeous. It also came with some of these cable ties, so you can actually tie, you know, strands of the ivy together, but we prefer just to keep it dangling like this. It looks more natural. That's what we absolutely love. So next I'm going to attach the lights. Came with these cable ties as well, so I think there's about, I don't know how many's there, but enough to actually attach the lights to the ivory trellis. So guys, I have a discount code for you, so you can go onto the Jackyled website and purchase one of these for yourself, and have a look on their website, guys. They've got some amazing items that you can use indoors and outdoors of your home. So use the code Amanda and that will give you 20% off your purchase from Jackyled. So when you pop onto their website, the item you'll be looking for is the artificial ivy with string lights. Okay, I will link all the codes in the description box below and also pop it up on the screens. I mean, it's actually worth having a look at the website anyway, because they have so many lovely items for your house and also for your garden, indoors and outdoors. This particular item, I absolutely love it. It can be used for all weathers because the battery pack is actually concealed. So I'd like to say thank you to Jackyled or Jackyled for sponsoring this video. It's been absolutely amazing. I absolutely love the products and I'm sure you guys are going to love it too. Guys, if you are new to the channel, do consider hitting the subscribe button. I love to have you on board, love to have you as part of the YouTube family. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. Okay, so take care, keep well, and I shall see you very soon on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.